Hello my dear students, this is second part of lesson number 10. The name of lesson is Plants, Our Green Friends. In this video, I will explain remaining part of lesson 10 and exercise of lesson number 10. Let's start. Leaves of plants. Leaves are the parts of a plant or tree that are flat, thin and usually green. A leaf is part of a plant that's usually green and attached to it by a stem or stalk. The main function of leaves is to prepare food for the plants, and green leaves prepare food for the plant in the process of sunlight and chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by a process called photosynthesis. In this process, the leaves use carbon dioxide and water to prepare food in the form of starch. Oxygen is released in this process. As the green leaves prepare food for the plants, they are called kitchen of the plant and food factory of the plants. Edible parts of plants. We eat different parts of the plant as food. Plants give us food. Plants give us food like fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. First of all, I will discuss vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables like roots, stem, leaves, fruits and flower. First part is root. We eat roots of some plants like carrot, radish, beetroot or sweet potato as vegetables. Stem. We eat stems of some plants like potato, onion and ginger as vegetables. Leaves. We eat leaves of some plants like spinach, cabbage and lettuce as vegetables. Fruits. We eat fruits of some plants like tomatoes, brinjals, lady's finger and pumpkin as vegetables, and other fruits are mango, apple, banana and so many others. Flowers. We eat flowers of some plants like cauliflower and broccoli as vegetables. Cereals and pulses. Cereals. Seeds of plants used to make flour. Wheat, rice, millet and corn are common examples of cereals. Pulses. Seeds of plants which are cooked like arar dal, moong dal and gram dal. Common examples of pulses. Cereals and pulses are also known as food grains. Uses of plants. Plants are very useful to us. Other than food, plants give us other useful things like paper, sugar, oil, wood, etc. Now, uses of plants. Plants are very useful to us. Plants give us food and other useful things. Plants are home to many animals, birds and insects. Now, uses of plants. Plants gives useful things like wood. We get wood from trees like sesame, sal, walnut, pine and teak. Wood is used to make furnitures like table, chair, bed, doors and windows. Plants give us useful things like medicine. Plants like neem, tulsi, mint and amla give us medicines. These plants are called medicinal plants. Next, perfume, soap and toothpaste. Perfume, we get perfume from the flowers like jasmine, rose and lily. We get soaps and toothpaste from oils and juices of plants like neem, coconut and cloves. Plants give us useful things like fiber. We get cotton and jute from plants. Cotton. Cotton fibers are used to make cotton clothes. Jute. Fibers are used to make bags, mats and ropes. Oil. We get oil from the seeds of plants like mustard, sunflower, coconut and peanut. Oil is used for cooking and oiling the hair. Plants give us rubber, gum and paper. Rubber is used to making tires, tubes and erasers. Gum is used to stick picture and many other things. Paper. We get papers from the plants like bamboo and pine. Plant give us tea, coffee and sugar. We get tea from the leaves of the tea plants. Coffee. We get coffee from the seeds of the coffee plant. Sugar. We get sugar from the juice of sugarcane stem. Plants give us spices. We get spices like cardamom, black pepper and cinnamon from plants. Spice add flavor to our food. Plants are our green friends. We must take care of them and protect them. Now, exercise time. First exercise, put a tick on the correct option. Number 1, watermelon is A. Option A, creeper. B, climber. Answer is creeper. Number 2, they have a weak stem. Option A, tree. B, climber. Answer is climber. Number 3, part of the plant that holds it in the soil is? Option A, leaf. Option B, root. Answer is root. Number 4. An example of a plant that grows in water is? Option A, lotus plant. Option B, mango plant. Answer is lotus plant. Number B, exercise. Read the statements and write T for trees, S for shrubs and H for herbs. Number 1. They live for few months and have green stems. Answer is herbs. Number 2. They have a thick brown woody stem. Answer is trees. Number 3. They have a bushy look. Answer shrubs. Number C, exercise. Label all the parts of the plant. Students, a plant picture in front of you. Here some important parts of the plant. Number 1, bud. Number 2, stem. Number 3, flower. Number 4, root. Number 5, root, and last is leaf. All these parts are very important of a plant. Now, exercise D. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are trees? Answer. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Very big and strong plants are called trees. Number 2. Which plants have weak stems? Answer. Climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Question number 3. Name a root we eat. Answer is carrot. Answer is carrot. Number 4. Which part of the plant makes food for the plant? Answer is leaves. Answer is leaves. Question number 5. What are creepers? Creepers have weak stems and creep along the ground. Creepers have weak stems and creep along the ground. Question number 6. What are climbers? Answer number 6 is climbers are the plants which need a support to stand straight. Climbers are the plants which need a support to stand straight. Fun activity. Trees are very useful to us. That is why we called them our green friends. Look at the pictures of things we get from the plants. Write their names in the given space. Number 1, fruits. Number next, pulses. Next, food. Next is vegetables. Next is medicines, papers, tea and coffee. All these things we get from the plants. That is why we call plants are our green friends. Thank you, students.